Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Ethernet connected but no internet access in Windows 11 10. Step 1. Run the network troubleshooter. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Next, click on System, then scroll down and select Troubleshoot. After that, click Other Troubleshooters. Now find Internet Connections and click the Run button next to it. Windows will now scan your network and try to automatically detect and fix the problem. Step 2. Flush the DNS cache. If the problem is still there, open the Start menu again and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following command and press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNSense. This command clears the DNS cache and can help resolve connectivity issues. After the process is complete, restart your computer. Step 3. Check IP and DNS settings. Next, press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This will open the Network Connections window. Now double-click your active network adapter, then click Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4 IPv4 and double-click it. Make sure the following options are selected. Obtain an IP address automatically. Obtain DNS server address automatically. Then click OK and close all windows. Step 4. Use Google DNS. Press Windows+R keys together to open the Run dialog box. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This opens the Network Connections window. Find your active network adapter, usually Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and double-click it. Click on Properties. In the list, find Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and double-click it. Select Use the following DNS server addresses, enter the Google DNS, Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, Alternate DNS 8.84.4, click OK to save, then OK again to close all windows. Step 5. Reset network settings. Next, open Command Prompt as Administrator again, type the following command and press Enter. Netch WinSock Reset. After that, restart your computer. Then open Command Prompt again and type netch-int IP reset. Restart your computer once more. Step 6. Update the network driver. Finally, right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters, then find your network card. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows install any available updates. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.